and welcome to Learning GIMP in a year. This is day 1. Let me show you how you can install the latest version. If you've got it already installed, go to Help and then About, and here you can not only find your current version, check for updates, but also a link to the official GIMP website. When you click on the download button, you will be redirected to GIMP downloads. Only use that website to download a GIMP version to install. If you haven't installed GIMP before, go to gimp.org/downloads. I'm going to link to it in the video description. And here you will find the latest version. At the start of this playlist is version 3.0.8. So this is the version that we're going to use. Just pick one of these download options. They should be the safest. And once you've got it, simply run what you've downloaded. You may have to close the GIMP window if you've got an older version active in the background. So simply close it, then run the installation process. And once it's done, you're going to get this message where it also asks you to launch GIMP. By default, you should get this welcome window. We'll close it for now. And once again, we check under Help right here, About, and you can see we now have 3.0.8 installed. And if we check for updates, we are up to date. So this is where we want to start. And from here on, I'm going to show you the basics of using GIMP in this playlist. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.